After Tumpak Sewu, we continue our journey to Ijen crater. It was a 6 hours journey. We had lunch and some rest along the way. At 8 p.m., we finally arrived at our homestay. It's called Arabica Homestay. It's quite an old homestay, but it's the closest homestay to Ijen crater. At 1 a.m., we woke up and had simple breakfast. Then our driver brought us to the entrance of Ijen crater. That's the furthest a car can go. We had to hike the rest of the trail for 2 hours. At 4 a.m., we finally arrived at the deepest part of the crater. If you want to see the blue fire at close distance, you must get all the way down to the crater. The road down the crater was narrow, dark, and steep, so watch your step and take it slow. Remember to bring a headlight too. One small mistake and you might end up falling down the cliff beside you. This is where a sulfur liquid dripped out and formed a solid rock before it was harvested by the miners. The workers constructed pipes to channel all the liquid down to a collecting point for easier mining process. It rained the day before we arrived here, so the sand basically covered the blue fire. We had to get very close to see the blue fire. How the fire was formed? It's basically sulfur gas escaping from the ground. Once in contact with air, plus high temperature, the blue fire is formed. Walk further down to see the mining process even more. The workers here had to carry the sulfur pieces on their shoulder, ranging from 70 kg to 100 kg. For each kilogram they carry, they were paid 1,000 rupiah. So that's about 70,000 rupiah per trip every 4 hours. Most of the time, they only do one trip per day. So basically they earn about 20 to 28 ringgit per day, which is about 5 US dollar per day. We took some photos next to the acidic lake. Water is mildly acidic, so it's okay to touch it just for a short while. But you have to wash your hands afterwards, or you might get itchy skin. We continue to see the mining process as it fascinates us very much. Even more fascinating than the blue fire itself. The amount of hard work they put in to make a living really makes me admire at them. At the same time, I felt humbled by their friendliness. At around 6 a.m., we walked back up the crater rim and started our journey back to the parking lot where our driver was waiting for us.
I can jump, I can soar, and I'm not afraid. Let the wind hit my face. I can take on the clouds, they're no longer gray. Take them on any day. I see now so clearly where I couldn't see before. Finally now, it was worth the wait. I hear my heartbeat, feel my wings take flight. Everything is golden underneath this sky, underneath this sky, underneath this sky, underneath this sky, underneath this sky. Look beyond at the horizon and remember the day. This was a day, yeah. Keep your eyes there, there's nothing like it. I was born to be brave, forever brave. I hear my heartbeat, feel my wings take flight. Everything is golden underneath the sky. I hear my heartbeat, feel my wings take